little explorers! Today we are diving in the river to meet an amazing animal. Can you guess what it is? Come on, let's go! This little animal walks sideways but is not a crab. It waves its claws to scare away other animals. And it likes to hide under rocks in rivers and ponds. Can you guess who? Is it a snail, an alligator, or a crayfish? Yes, it's the crayfish! Crayfish are also called freshwater lobsters. They can regrow lost claws and legs, just like magic. There are over 600 species of crayfish around the world. Crayfish breathe through gills even when the water is muddy. They clap their claws to communicate and show excitement. Some crayfish live for up to 20 years. Wow, wasn't that amazing? Today we learned all about one of the wonderful creatures living in our lakes and rivers. But our adventure doesn't stop here. There are so many more river friends waiting to meet you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can dive into the next animal adventure with us. See you next time, little explorers. Let's keep swimming through the river world together.